I think it's a great forum, very well conceived by Anurag. I think he's a visionary. He understands that this was a space which was always available today. He got into it pretty early. He also said a very exact lines which he said, which today is so very precise. He's saying that, 2-3 years or 4 years back, digital advertising was not there, or advertisers used to ask saying why digital. Today it's become a form of life, which is so true. We also see that so many clients are asking for digital, and in digital people would like to get into what in digital and how in digital, and mobile as a media is getting everywhere because like we always tell to our clients is consumers are migrating. Consumer is a king. Consumer selects what content and which screen the content needs to be consumed. And hence, I guess, mobility is there for the future. According to me, I think, I might be biased here, but according to me, I think mobile advertising will overtake digital advertising in the next 3 or 5 years. Definitely. I think digital as a medium, if you see other countries, digital as a medium is upwards of 15% or 20% of the total media mix. I think in India, it's just times to come in the next 2 or 3 years where we'll be double-digit growth in media mix. And I think once we hit that, then, like I said, it's only going to be how much is too much. We need to explain it. And I guess the clients are there. We need to go to the clients and tell them, according to the specific TGs, what makes sense in digital for them. And if we can do that job, I guess clients are ready to spend, most definitely. So I won't say overlap. I would say it could be a supplementary medium or the only medium to stay. I would like to see clients coming back and saying, rather than giving a print or a radio or a television brief, it has to be a brief. And let the brief decide on meritocracy which medium needs to be decided. It could be only digital for all you know. Because today, a client TG is only a TG which is currently being planned on because of the agencies or because how the way agencies take this, right? Top of mind for agencies are always traditional media. So it's a work of our kind of digital agencies and digital companies to go back to the clients and say that in that same brief, how can digital be the only media, or could be supplementary or an amplification? It's only up to us to go back to the clients and educate them. And I'm sure there are ample amount of clients to understand this, understand the potential of the medium, and they also want to get into it. So yeah, cheers.
Thank you.